Hello and welcome to another Byte of Tech with your student data team. Thanks for joining me today as I show you the latest district report created just for you. As a teacher, you can see the sections you teach by using the drop-down in the top right. You may notice it's broken down by different types, so you may see co-teaching sections here, other sections, inactive, etc. However, when teachers are in the gradebook and they're trying to link those sections, when they're creating new categories or assignments, that's where it gets a little tricky. The most common error we see here is linking to a non-graded section, so be mindful of that. To help make things easier, we've worked with the programmers to create a report that shows you all courses and sections you're scheduled to teach. This includes not only sections where you're the primary teacher, but also any sections where you've been marked as the inclusion or co-teacher. When accessing this report, you'll go to District Reports, Scheduling, Master Schedule, then My Teacher Schedule. As a quick tip, make sure that your filters are turned on so that you can search and find the report even quicker. You'd go to All Reports, make sure your filters are turned on, and then you can just type in the report name and it'll filter it for you so that you can quickly run the report. When you run this report, you'll find a lot of other valuable information as well. The school that you're teaching at, the course number, the course name, section, primary teacher, and if you're an inclusion teacher, this is going to be a different teacher, and you'll be listed in that inclusion or co-teacher column at the end of the report. Whether the section takes attendance or is graded, the room number, the days of the week, marking period used, grading scale, and again, that inclusion and co-teacher, if assigned. You'll notice you'll also be able to see their permissions. As a reminder, this is going to relate to both your gradebook and attendance records and their ability to modify. If you have any questions about how any of these sections are set up, please reach out to your school administrator. As always, thanks for joining us to learn more about Focus. If you have suggestions for future content, please let us know by submitting the form in the description below.